Welcome to the Real Deal of Real Estate, and right now, I will give you a quick inside look of our HQ office here at Muntinlupa. This is 2529 Corporation Head Office, and as elite, of course, J Project Solutions. So let's go para malaman ng lahat ng clients natin kung paano pumunta sa office. Kasi lagi yun yung question, saan papunta, paano papunta. So right now, I will give you a quick look of our HQ. Let's go. Our office is situated along Muntinlupa National Road. So, actually, malapit lang tayo sa Municipality of Muntinlupa. So, this is Elizabeth Center and we are in the 4th level. So, let's go inside. This is BDO. Pag nakita niyo yung BDO, sa taas lang tayo na 4th level. Actually, this is the branch na nag-handle ng 2529 Corporation payroll. Shout out sa mga taga-BDO, Muntinlupa. So, we're going to the 4th level. So, ang dami nagtatanong kasi kung saan talaga yung office ng J Project, JPPM, and AJE. So, let's go and see kung saan talaga yung pinaka-office natin. So, after the elevator, we'll just turn left. So, dito lang ang ating office. Mabilis lang tandaan. After that, we will turn right. Kung makita nyo yung green door, that's our AJE office. Let's go. Green door. So, actually, this one, si J Project din ang nag-design. So, actually, this office kasi consists of 4 slots. So, yung 4 slot na yon ay kinuha na agad ng AJA HQ. Plus, we also extended. So, mamaya may kita nyo yung extension naman ng another office natin. So, again, this is a 4 slot. So, yung mga entrance or mga door, ginawa na lang greenery ng J Project para hindi naman halata na pinag-combine lang yung mga office. So, let's go. This is our green door. Lagi kong sinasabi to sa mga client. If you turn right after the elevator, you will see the green door. And this is the AJA HQ signage. So, you can just like doorbell and then we can enter the HQ na. So, let's go. Wala ko. Kayo may... Alright, so this is our lounge area. So dito natin nire-receive yung mga clients. Dito tayo nagdi-discuss bago natin papuntahin sa pinaka-meeting room once we already close the deal. This is inspired with our sales team, which is yung mga angels ng AJE. This office, almost mga 3 years na tayo rin. This is also designed by J Project, Sir Ives din. And yeah, every detail of our sister company, of course, the Every Roof Mortgage, AJE Sales, J Project Solution, consists the interior construction plus the property management. So, let's take a look. As we enter, this is our company board. So, dito, nagpa-flash yung mga announcement and all birthdays, motivational quote. Tapos, we have here, table din for our mga property managers. Kasi sometimes, pumupunta dito yung mga property managers. So, this is also designed by our J Project Solutions. And right now, we are in the team of JPPM. So, sobrang busy nila kasi daming booking. Ayan. So, this is the JPPM Core or the Property Client Owner Relation. So, sila yung sumasagot sa Airbnb, sila yung mga kausap ng ating mga guests, plus yung mga owners, pag may mga concern and all, sila rin yung nasagot. So, headed by our JPPM head, which is Miss Jem. Hi ka naman dyan, Jem. Yan. Ang peak hour time natin is from 8 a.m. hanggang 12 midnight. So, yung next shift, which is the closing shift, is yung mga nasa MOA. So, let's go. Then, right here, ang pinakamagandang finance ng JPPM, yan, si Miss Mears. The bills and all ng mga owners natin, we see to it that we are paying on time para walang delays and walang magkaroon ng like trouble in terms of the daily operation. So, talagang super dedicated sila in terms of the daily operation. Of course, this is an active business. So, meaning, marami talagang kausap daily, iba-iba. So, ayan sila. Diba? Sobrang dedicated sa work. Alright, so the next team that we have here is the marketing and listing team headed by Mr. Leo. Wait ka naman dyan, Mr. Leo. Ayan. So, sila yung nag-keep ng mga listing natin na high standard, like the photos and all, complete. Of course, we have Tad and JC. Welcome to our studio room. Ito yung ginagamit ng mga salesperson natin, yung AJ Angels, pagka nag-shoot even ako sa mga content. So, let's go inside. So, this is soundproof studio. So, talagang pag naglo-long vlog, dito siya ginagawa. This is also designed by J Project. This one, the details and all. Tapos, we have a monitor here. Kasi, pagka hindi siya ginagamit for studio, sometimes nagiging meeting room na rin siya o kaya huddle ng mga by team. And sometimes, after the lunch, pwede rin siyang tulugan. Diba? Pwedeng dito, pahiga-higa. Ganyan. Yan. Tapos, kung may mga talks kayo, like heart to heart, ganyan, pwede rin dito sa ating studio room. So, maraming purpose yung studio room natin. And sometimes pala, dressing room din siya. Ayan. Kaya marami tayong mga hanger dito. Okay? And of course, our next department is our finance and HR. Ito yung mga pinaka-importanting tao sa ating company. This is Miss Ara. Ayan, say hi. And Miss Mai, sa likod naman ni Miss Ara. So, siya ang may hawak ng kaban ng bayan. Okay? Very important si Miss Mai. Yan. So, pag may mga kailangan kayong funds, chat nyo lang siya, tawagan nyo lang, Mamay! Ganyan. Tapos si Miss Ara naman, ang kanyang culture is to give memo. Joke lang. So, pagka dyan na si Miss Ara, talaga yung buong team is talagang alert. Sobrang mga beautiful ladies. So, next naman na ating room is our so, let's go inside. So, these are the 2 rooms lang siya, pero hindi kami masyado nandito kasi nga, lagi rin kami dun sa kabilang office, which is yung sales department natin. Kasi, syempre, without sales, yun yung pinaka-blood of the company. So, dun talaga kami everyday naka-focus. So, dito, actually, this is my table and this is my husband's table, our head of 2529 yung founder natin. Pero hindi siya masyadong nagpapakita sa camera. Sometimes lang kami dito nag-office kasi nga, dun kami naka-lagi. So, actually, gusto nga namin magkaroon pa rito ng sofa para pagka nandito yung mga kids, yung mga bata, yung mga anak namin, meron silang pwedeng stayan. So, watch out. Next natin na vlog, may sofa na dyan. Okay, so this is the AJ Elite logo. No? So, actually, pang ilang revise na to. Pang version 3 na ata to na revise. Even nasa in-house tayo ng SM Property before tayo mag-realty. Tayo lang talaga yung isang team na merong sariling office. Kasi yung setup talaga ng sales team is you will go to the office ng developer, no? Meron dun sa SM, sa may MOA. Pero we are really doing differently in terms sa lagi sa ginagawa. So, tayo lang lagi yung may nag-iisang team na may office. I have dito yung pinaka-importante, yung Bible natin. Then, meron tayong mga SMDC gifts from our clients. Ayan. Next, let's go to this room. Ito. This room naman is the other brand room. Pero, studio rin siya. Dito ginagawa yung mga IDs ng lahat ng employees. Pagka mga shoot din, pwede rin dito mag-shoot. And, nagla-live selling din ng mga brand. So, 2529 Corp has 2 brand. No, we have clothing brand which is X Control from international brand yan from Taiwan. No, so tayo yung nagdala dito sa Philippines. And then we also have our Luco brand which is ito, ating Nike from mainland China. So tayo rin yung nagpapasok sa Philippines ng brand na to. And we really believe on this brand. And soon I know that it will prosper. No? So, ito yung mga stocks natin, ganyan. X-Control and Luco. Ayan, yung mga nagbablog dyan. Sobrang ganda nung ating mga product. So, this is a internal office na natin. Ito yung sinasabi kong extension. Yung kanina kasi na nakita nyo sa labas, 4 slots siya na office. So ngayon, siguro after a year lang, nag-expand agad yung HQ natin for another office setup. So let's go. Secret door siya. So let's go inside. Para mas ma-appreciate nyo. Yan. As we enter our 360 office, ang tawag natin dito is 360 office. Kasi later explain ko na lang. Pero this part is our coffee area. So marami tayo ritong mga coffee maker. Sobrang importante sa atin yung kape para magising tayo. Lagi and active. Ayan. So this one naman is yung mga sounds and music. Yan, DJ. Kasi nga, like I said, bakit siya naging 360 office? Kasi we want to balance work, no, and yung life balance. So, ang ginagawa namin, every 4th week of the month, every Friday, nagkakaroon kami rito ng mga music session, ganyan. So, nag-i-invite kami ng mga artists. Abangan nyo yung mga artists din. Ayan. So, this part, sa ating left side naman na part, we have 2 phone booth cubicle. So, pagka may mga client kami, yung mga sales natin, no, AJ Angels and sellers, dito kami nakikipag-usap through Zoom, yung mga calls, kasi parang hindi rin masyadong rinig ng the rest. Okay, so moving forward, this is our play session. We encourage our employees here na wag lang sobrang magpa-burnout sa work. So sometimes, for example, gusto mong mag-play, ayan, meron kami rito arcade. Yan. Some of these are mga collection din, mga limited edition collection. So, favorite kasi namin yan. And of course, yung Supreme brand. No? So, moving forward naman, this is our 360 office. Isang buo lang siya, tapos free seating siya. Wala siyang parang designated kung sino yung tao doon. Di katulad sa kabilang office. So, this part naman is intended for our interns. So we really love to have interns in our company. Kasi syempre, alma mater namin, PL Moon. Ayan sila. Nagaganda oh. Oh, yan. Magaling. This part, yung right side natin, is our creative team. So, dito muna tayo kay Sir Tan. Hi naman kayo dyan, creative team. Yan. So, this headed by Sir Tan. Si Sir Tan is, ilang taon na tayo dito, Sir Tan?
4 years.
Si Sir Tan talaga yung senior editor namin from the beginning pa ng AJA. Sobrang galing nag-edit si Sir Tan. Ayan, nag-edit sila. Very important kasi yung social media presence. Si Dea, nakikita niya from JPPM. Si Shane, our director. And si Ma'am Che. Si Ma'am Che is ang ating, sa every group siya din. And also yung mga brand natin, yung new brand natin. Tapos, of course, si Jay, si RJ naman, ang ating AJA Elite editor natin yan. So, kung makikita niyo yung mga content natin, siya yun. Yung mga lumilipad-lipad. So, ayan. And of course, yung pinaka-importante nating editor sa likod mo, which is si Yero. Gumano-gano po. Ayan. So, sa JPPM and J Project Solutions. So, yung mga edit regarding J Project, JPPM, and AJA Answer siya yun. Ano talaga, sobrang dedicated tayo sa mga content, diba? Ayan. So, right now, ito yung pinaka-importanting department natin kasi this is the blood of our company. This is the AJA Elite Sales Force. So, ayan, headed by Miss Rona. Ayan. Of course, meron tayong congratulations to one of our agents from SMBC. And then, of course, si Sarah, siya naman yung sa ating documentation and all. Kaya, lahat ng ating client ay qualified for the turnover because of Sarah. Ayan. And, ayan, dito tayo rin nagbi-meeting. Ano rin siya, it's like a flexible area. And then, pagka may mga meetings, general assembly, devotion, every first Monday of the month. So, dito natin yung ginaganap since malaki siya. And then, yan, may monitor. So, nata-flash tayo dyan ng mga presentation and all. This one is our pantry area. Pasok tayo dito. So, we have refrigerator. No? So, kung sino yung gusto ng mga drinks dyan, bawal, syempre. Pero, for client. Pero, syempre, kung gusto nyo, pwede silang maglagay dito ng mga drinks nila para lumamig. So, we have our hot and cold water. And then, in this office, no, we have free rice. So, ulam na lang yung dadalhin nyo. And, of course, we have snack, coffee, and then mga biscuits dito. Para naman sa ating employee, para pagka medyo afternoon na, snacks naman. Again, this pantry is interior by J Project. So, nakita niyo yung mga greeneries dyan. Ayan. So, this one naman is our drawer. Nandito sa taas yung mga achievement ng AJA Elite and of course, sa 25294. So, this one naman, mga importanteng documents. So, lahat ng client ng JBPM, J Project, lahat yan naka 201 file. Well organized tayo in terms of documents. Tapos dito pa, pasok tayo dito. We have a big balcony. Meron tayo ditong greenery area. So, pagka after lunch din, yan, pwede ditong magstay. So, lalabas ka lang dito pagka kailangan mo ng, alam mo yun, air. Fresh air. Ayan, so welcome